This video will show you how to create and manage appointment rooms. Remember, to create appointment rooms you will need the appointment administrator access right. We're going to be creating rooms that a rota can be attached to. This displays on the rota on the appointment screen and can also be used in callboard setup. Select Setup, then go to Appointments and Appointment Rooms. In here, I see a list of existing rooms at my organisation. When adding a new room, I can give it a name and then set which site this room is allocated at from your configured branch sites. From this screen, you can also set up any staff defaults for certain rooms. This will mean if a rota is allocated to a certain staff member, the appointment room will automatically be populated on the rota template.